Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Port St. Lucie local and long distance movers near me. Finding a reliable mover for your long distance move can be a bit intimidating. You have probably heard the stories about movers that load up your household goods and disappear. Or they start the job for you and then demand twice the amount of money you agreed to pay. If you call 3 Movers, you won't have to worry about that kind of scam. We will give you a clear written estimate of your long-distance moving cost based on the weight of what you are moving and how far it needs to go. Our representative will explain the terminology that movers use so that you won't be confused by the estimate. If you are looking for a moving company to handle your local relocation, call 3 Movers. Our professional representative will come to your home, survey the items you need to move, and then submit an accurate estimate for the work's cost. Our local jobs are charged based on the time it will take for us to complete them, and we will explain the elements involved. If you are interested in a company that can pack the kitchen and prepares the furniture for transport, we can do that. 3 Movers has experience with residential moves and with complex office and commercial jobs. If you need storage or specialty moving services during your local move, we have that covered. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Port St. Lucie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.